We are done with our first session of our book club, and we chose Okay, so it's day one of our book club. I'm waiting for Crystal and Lay to get here. We will choose a book today. We've been wanting to do a book club for a while, and finally we're getting to it. I'll let you guys know how everything goes as the day continues. Fun fact about me, I always have a pair of hooped earrings in my bag. So if I'm not extra enough some days, I will put it on. And these are from Forever 21. They say love in Old English. And it just sets off my look. We are done with our first session of our book club. And we chose The Unbecoming of Mara Dyer. Yes. Yes.
I forgot.
You forgot already.
But it sounds really cool.
And I sent it on iMessage, so.
Oh, you did?
I did. So that's Lay. That's Crystal. Ugh. Thank you. Thank you for this.
There it is.
Yay! We'll keep you guys posted with how our book club goes.
I hope I give birth next week.
Yes. I hope you do too.
Tiny.
More babies, more babies, more babies. Bye, ladies.
Have a hard time getting.
So we talked about who you are, we talked about who you're talking to, we talked about your message, and then we talked about packaging your message. Now the last part of this workshop is delivering your message.
Other people and cameras over there. Yes, please help push the chairs aside.
We just finished Vicky Herrera's at Victoria_Herrera's Be Seen workshop, and we didn't entirely finish it because we got here late. I blame her. I blame her. But it was great. And if you guys need any branding consultations for social media or website or whatever it may be, hit Vicky up. So we're at Fully Booked. I'm still with Chris. And we're looking for our book, The Unbecoming of Mara Dyer. When we talked to customer service, they said there's possibly 2 copies left, which is perfect.
Harry Potter.
This is our homie who is helping us look. And this is Crystal's belly. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It looks, oh, here it is. I was like, because it looks so similar.
Thank
Yay,
you.
perfect.
Hey, she said there's only 2. There's a bunch.
No, there's just 2.
No, there's 3.
Where?
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. So, wait.
It's a series.
It's okay.
Volume 3. So this is the first
Interesting.
one.
Okay, how many pages? I like the font. It's big.
It's big, easy to read, because she's always squinting.
Hi, Jerlyn. There's a Lassiter in here.
A Lassiter!
Less than 500.
We got this.
Totes.
So we're in a bathroom, and we just came from Fully Booked, and I bought The Unbecoming of Mara Dyer and Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, because everyone said I have to read it. So let's see how this goes. And this woman just walked out with washing her hands. I hope she has hand sanitizer. It's a little past 5 p.m. and I have maybe 15 minutes to nap before the station. And I think it's super important to get a nap in when you can, to re-energize, but try not to go over 15 minutes, because once you nap for too long, you wake up just feeling groggy and you just want to keep sleeping. So timer set, 15 minutes. Hi.
Oktoberfest parties. Check out the list.
I have a recording to do.
lang. Parang nag...
I'm gonna vlog this, but I probably can't record like the audio. I'll make it silent.
Just mute it and then
Mute
talk
it.
over it.
Yes.
Like you're
Oh,
narrating.
that would be hilarious. Okay.
And your son is here to help.
Good to go, boss.
Yep, you could. Cut.
Cut. Be yourself. It's part of my vlog. Okay. Just not so stiff. Relax. Okay, here's what I want you to do. You're at a VTR. What's your favorite word?
My favorite word?
Yeah.
Complicit. It's
Okay.
fun to say.
Okay. Say complicit. Happy.
Complicit.
Happier.
Complicit.
Excited.
Complicit.
Scared.
Complicit.
Sad.
Complicit.
Confused.
Complicit?
Eager.
How do you do eager? That's difficult. Complicit. But that's just like for the hand movements.
Eager's the same as anxious.
Anxious is more like nervous.
Okay, go.
Because people usually said the difference between excited and anxious is that anxious is just excited with nervous on it.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
So go.
Complicit.
And in your most Renzo way possible, say complicit.
I'm gonna go order food now.
Renzo's on the phone calling 789-9999.
Pizza pasta chicken. Literally pizza pasta chicken. That's exactly what we're getting.
Yellow Cab, we love you.
We love you, Yellow Cab.
This is not a paid sponsorship.
But it should be.
It should be, so holler at us, Yellow Cab. Now, to end my day, I'm at the gym. And it's been about a week since I've been here last, so it's much needed. And I'm glad that the gym at my place is open still an hour after I'm off radio, so I could utilize it. That's pretty much how my day ends. Maybe I'll record some footage for you guys. So enjoy the rest